During this pandemic of COVID-19, all colleges and schools have changed their way of teaching by starting online classes and providing recording video lectures, but it's really hard and take lots of time of teachers to provide text notes to their students of theory giving lectures, or it also really hard for students to take out notes of the lecture. So, for solving this problem, we presenting a software VD Notes, which automatically takes the notes from recorded lectures and provide them to the user. Let's have a look at this software. For transcribing our video into notes, first we need to upload our video by clicking on Upload button. Now, select your video and click OK. It takes few seconds for uploading the video. Now, you can see that video is successfully uploaded and playing in player window. Here also have a sound on off button. By pressing this button we can on off the video sound. Now for taking notes of uploaded video, we first need to enter translation language, that is, in what language you want the notes, and if you don't want to translate the notes just leave this blank and click on translate button. It takes a while, depending on your video length and internet connection. As you can see that the translation has been done. For saving your notes on a desired location we need to click on save button, after that we need to select location and give a file name and click on save. Now your notes are saved at given location. Let me show you the saved notes. Here you can see it works properly and notes are saved in text file. For the source code of the project, check the description, there is a GitHub repository link. If you like this video, please make sure to comment below. Thanks for watching this video, have a nice day.